All right, listen up. You want to get rich from crypto? Of course you do. You think I'm out here just stacking these NFTs for fun? Spoiler, I am, and it's not going well. Here are 8 ways to get stupid rich from crypto. Some might even work. Who knows? Forget Bitcoin and Ethereum. Too mainstream. The real winners, Doge, Floki, and Shiba Inu. If it sounds like a cartoon character, it's probably your ticket to the moon. Rich people say buy low, sell high. But my anxiety, it says buy now, panic later. It's like a financial roller coaster with no seatbelt. If a random guy named Crypto King 420 says he can double your money, why wouldn't you trust him? Scammers? In my crypto journey? Never. Spoiler, always. Rich people don't pay taxes, right? So if I just pretend my crypto gains don't exist, boom, problem solved. Disclaimer. This is not legal advice. Please don't let the IRS ruin your life. Diversification, that's for cowards. We're going all in on this random coin I just heard about on Twitter. If I can just build a time machine, I'll go back, buy Bitcoin at 8 cents, and retire before my student loans even exist. It's foolproof. I have no idea what's happening, but all the crypto bros say hodl. So I'm just gonna sit here, ignore the losses, and manifest my way to wealth. Okay, maybe blindly following memes isn't the best investment strategy. Maybe I should actually learn how money works before throwing my last $100 into Mooncoin 69. Morale of the story? Crypto is wild, and getting rich isn't as easy as Twitter makes it seem. But if you actually want to make smart money moves, hit that subscribe button, watch more of my videos, and learn from my many financial mistakes. Also, if you see me promoting Bestie Coin in the next week, mind your business. Subscribe for more financial shenanigans.